In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image horizontally in Canva. If you've ever needed a quick mirror effect for a photo, a product shot, or a graphic element, this is one of the fastest edits you can make, and it only takes a couple of clicks. Start by opening your project in Canva and locating the image you want to flip. You might be working on a presentation, a social post, or a flyer. No problem. Once the design is open, look for that specific image on your canvas. It can be a photo you uploaded or an element from Canva's library. Make sure it's clearly visible and not hidden behind other layers so you can select it easily. Click the image once to select it. As soon as you do, you'll see a toolbar appear across the top of the editor. This is where Canva places most of the quick editing controls. With the image still selected, look along the top for the flip option. It's clearly labeled and designed to give you two choices. Choose the horizontal flip. Horizontal flip mirrors the image from left to right as if you're looking at it in a mirror, while vertical would flip it top to bottom. Since we're creating a mirror image, select the horizontal option. The change applies instantly, so you'll see your picture snap into its mirrored position right away. That's genuinely all it takes. You've flipped your image horizontally, and you can continue designing from there. If you change your mind, or want to compare before and after, use the undo command to bounce back, or click horizontal again to return it to the original orientation. This flip doesn't degrade image quality and won't crop or distort your picture. It simply reverses the left and right sides. A quick tip as you review your layout: text and logos inside a photo will appear backward after a horizontal flip. If that's not what you want, consider keeping the original orientation or placing a non-flipped version on top. Also, check how the flipped image aligns with other elements in your design. Mirroring can dramatically change visual balance, often in a good way. To recap, open your project, select the image, click the flip control in the top toolbar, and choose horizontal. That's it. Clean, fast, and perfect for creating symmetry, changing the flow of a layout, or simply refreshing a composition. Thanks for watching, and enjoy designing with confidence in Canva.